I was gifted these vacuum bags for travel, and I wish I had these sooner. If you've ever struggled to fit everything into your suitcase, this makes such a difference. You can pack your clothes like normal, seal the bag, and then use the little cordless pump to compress everything down, and it shrinks it way more than I expected. The pump is actually super easy to use. It's rechargeable with USB, so you don't need any special adapters, and it's small enough to throw right into your bag. Each bag only takes a few seconds to compress, so you can do your whole suitcase really quickly. I also like that it comes with multiple bag sizes, so you can organize things like outfits, jackets, or even bulky items separately, and once they're sealed, they stay really compact, which helps keep everything neat and easy to find. The bags themselves feel durable with a strong zipper seal, so I don't feel like they're going to tear or lose air during travel. I've been able to fit way more into my carry-on using these, and it just makes packing feel less stressful overall. If you travel a lot or just want to maximize space in your suitcase, these are one of those things that actually make a noticeable difference.